Hey guys, it's Amy from Tales of a Small Town Girl, and I am linking up today with Raven and Becky for their show and tell vlog. This is my first vlog, and I look like a trash bag today with no fixed hair, and my makeup is a mess. Or I don't even have any makeup on. But whatever. Without further ado, here is my shiz that I'm going to show you. First up item for discussion is my favorite hair beauty products, whatever. Is Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo and Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. Hi. You get this at Walmart. It works just as great. I love it. My hair could use some of it right now, but that's another vlog for that. The other one I like is Bedhead After Party. It comes in a pink little tube, and it works pretty good. Haven't used it in a while, but it works really good. I love it. Next item up for discussion would be the book that I'm currently reading. It would be The Help. I've been reading it for a couple weeks now, and this is as far as I've gotten. I've been slacking off, and I haven't read in a while, but this is what I'm reading. I completely love it. It's a really good book, and yeah. Also, the other thing that I have to show you is some piece of clothing that I wear often. I don't wear it every day, but I do wear it often. Would be this Criss Angel. Let's step back a little bit. This Criss Angel shirt. It was my mother's. My mother passed away in December, and she was a big, huge Criss Angel fan. Went and seen him like numerous times in Vegas. I believe she's like met him and got his autograph and all that stuff, but this is very sentimental to me. I literally have hoarded all my mother's clothes, but that's for another vlog or post or whatever, but literally a little crazy. Cuckoo. The next item up would be my favorite pair of shoe. Okay, I couldn't just pick one shoe. I had to pick two. Hence, I'm a girl. But it's these little guys. These are cute little booties with a wedge on it, and they have cute little studs in them like this, and a zipper. I got them from the Buckle a couple of winters ago, but I love these things. Cute with a pair of cutoffs, skinny jeans, whatever tickles your fancy that day. Also have these cute little flip-flops that I got from, I think I actually stole them from my mom long time ago. Sorry, Mom. But I love these shoes. They're so cute. They have cute little spikies in there, and they have a peace sign. Love these guys. Next item up for discussion would be my favorite food in my pantry. It can't be the original Triscuits. It has to be the dill, sea salt, and olive oil. This right here, if you're a pickle fan and you are completely in love with pickles as much as I am, this is for you. Eat you some up, girls. So good. I have about like 2 boxes in my pantry because they don't last very long in my house. I guess that's all I have to show you today. You can look at my refrigerator with all my pictures if you want to, but yeah, thanks for letting me partake in this cool link up, and I hope everybody enjoyed all my stuff, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and don't do anything I wouldn't do.